What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. Today I want to give you a quick update. I'm in the warehouse today. It's April, 21st? What is it? April 21st, I think. Today is Wednesday. I know it's in April. That's what matters. All the days are the same. And I just want to give you an update about what we have done. I know you came here to storage and you saw this full of garbage and full of a lot of stuff that really needed to take care of. So I want to show you what we took care of. So we're shipping a shipment today, hopefully. So this is the first shipment. Is going to be, let me just show you. So it's going to be 7 boxes that big. So you have one here, one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big. So 7 big, and then you have 6 kind of small. I count them as small for me, but maybe for a lot of people that's a lot, but for me it's not. I mean, it's not much. I'm not trying to be cocky here, but you know what I'm saying, okay? So that's been said. We're shipping all this stuff today, but if you look at the storage, it's actually very nice and clean. And I have 3 people there. There's hostages of the storage. Where are they? Where are they? These people. See them? These old people are hostages. Say hi to the camera. Did you guys help today?
Yeah.
Did you work hard?
Yeah.
You play hard?
Yeah.
That's what we do. All right. And if you see, everything is clean now here. But this is the improvement that we have done. And I think it's really important to be able to organize everything that you have. So I know the shelves, according to my Wikipedia, which is me, I made all the stuff here is going to be overflow, the stuff that I'm going to do for leave it for Christmas. I thought it's going to be only one, but ended up to be a lot of them. So we have the stuff here, we have all the stuff here. I'm not shipping all the stuff. If you see here, I left some because I shipped a lot. I bought a lot after I spoke to you. So I'm putting all the stuff here down. I don't know if you guys see them. This stuff here is actually all the swimming stuff. I shipped a lot. I shipped like 50, 60, 70 of each. But I left this one for later on because I don't want to put a lot because of storage fees and all this stuff. So all the stuff actually became all the shelves here, from here to all up to here. All these are actually even this one is actually over. All of them are only extra products that I have that I will be shipping as I go. Because I shipped some of them, but I don't want to ship a lot. Like before I used to ship 14, 10 units, 20 units of each. But now the slow season, so I'm not going to be, kind of stupid, even if I look like one. But it's much better to reserve some. And if you sell some, I ship some stuff in. So all the stuff here, we stocked up. I think is really good stuff. We're still going to keep buying and selling, and adding more stuff to it. And this one, actually, the only shelf, I thought I'm going to have multiple shelves of these. Okay, these are all like kind of returns. Stuff that are kind of damaged. If you see here, the stuff like kind of damaged. You can sell them on eBay if you want, the Facebook Marketplace. I still don't know what I'm going to do with them. But I'll see what I'm going to do. So you have this stuff like that. Some of them are open package. Some of them here returned. I don't know what's up. This stuff returns. So it's a part of the business to have some returns, and you have to be prepared for it and not to get upset about it, because returns gonna happen. No matter what happens, it will happen. There's a part of the business. You sell some and you're gonna get some. So also here we have LOL. This is LOL, which is I guess cease and desist because of LOL. Not only because of that, because of another also LOL. So LOL is always gated. I don't know. You have to be. I don't know. I'm gonna say something. Maybe it's not that great, but you have to be sleeping with the LOL manager to be able to get engaged, I believe. These ones is actually a big issue I got. I created a shipping plan. I was about to ship them the day after, but the same day I created a shipping plan without even shipping the product yet. And I get a cease and desist letter. So I have these stuff that we were talking about yesterday in our webinar. And that's the stuff. I have 8 of them, which is I'm going to give and give away or something, or give to the kids. And we'll see what happens. So that's the progress. I just wanted to show you what's up. We have all the stuff here. And here I still have some stuff that I need to clear, but I have a lot of boxes, a lot of things that we needed to clear. So once all the stuff here, it clears, once all this stuff clears, then I'll be able to move stuff from here, the stuff, put them, sort them, see what's up, and that's it. And if you see, I have kind of obsession with Pokemon cards, and I don't understand much about Pokemon cards, but I have these. These are nothing compared to what I have at home, but hopefully I'll make another video about that. If you really want to watch stuff about Pokemon cards and all the stuff, I think it's really good. I'm stocking up in a lot of them, and I have maybe worth of 4 or 5 grand worth of Pokemon cards that's sealed. And you know, we'll talk about that another time. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys are hustling. I hope you guys are doing what you have to do. Keep doing it, keep pushing through, and even if slow season is the time for you to go ahead, build your inventory, get more units, and build your SKUs. And trust me, now you think, oh, the sales are slow, but when start becoming closer to Q3, Q4, especially Q4, like September, you're gonna see a lot of sales, and you want to be prepared. And sometimes it's very hard to commit a lot of SKUs during Q4 because of the fact that sales, you build the SKUs and sells out. Build the SKUs and sells out, and you cannot catch up. But now if you be able to build it to a specific limit, and then if it goes depleted, then you can't fill it up again, it's really great. So I hope you enjoy this kind of videos, guys. Let's make it happen, and let's go and make that money. Stop wasting our time, stop wasting your time, and let's go ahead and make that money, guys. Everyone pretend to be experts out there, but they just want to teach, but they cannot do. I tell you, people who cannot do, they teach, and the people who knows how to do, they do more. So keep that in mind and keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care. Peace.